Hi students, welcome as usual, and I thank you sincerely for your watching my videos, and if they are really benefiting you, please subscribe to my channel. Today the topic is accommodation and adaptation of the human eye. The eye accommodates or adjusts to ensure clear vision of the near objects as well as of the distant objects. So that is accommodation, the process by which a clear vision is ensured of the near vision as well as of the distant vision, of the near objects as well as of the distant objects. So what are the adjustments that we'll see now? So in case of near vision, in case of near vision as well as in case of distant vision. So we will see the changes in near vision. The first change will be that the ciliary muscles will contract. That means the suspensory ligament process will move forward towards the lens, and in the case of distant vision, the ciliary muscles will relax and will move back. And the second change will be, since the ciliary muscles are contracting, the suspensory ligament, what will happen on the suspensory ligament? The tension will be reduced on the suspensory ligament. And in case of distant vision, the ciliary muscles are relaxing, so the suspensory ligament will be stretched. And the third change will be, in the case of near vision, the lens will become more convex. That means bulges will be there, it will bulge, and the focal length will decrease. The lens will become more convex, focal length will decrease. And in the case of distant vision, the lens will become thin and the focal length will increase. So these are the three changes that will take place inside the eye in case of near vision as well as in case of distant vision. So now it is clear, students. Now I move to the other topic, that is adaptation of the eye. So different intensities of light is there. So eye adjusts or adapts with the changes of the intensity of light. So how it does? It is there in the adaptation of the eye. How it adapts to the different intensity of light. So, for example, we sometimes move towards light from darkness. For some time, we become blind for few minutes. Again, the vision is restored. A vision comes back after some time. So this is called the light adaptation. Similarly, we sometimes move to darkness from light, and there also we become blind for some minutes. After some time the vision comes back. So this is the dark adaptation. So what happens in these two adaptations we will see. For example, in dark adaptation, what will happen? The pupils will dilate to allow more light to enter, because there is darkness. So pupils will dilate to allow more light to enter the eye. And secondly, the pigment of the rods, which is known as visual purple, and also is known as rhodopsin will be regenerated to increase the sensitivity of the rods. So this is the dark adaptability. We are moving towards darkness from light. So more light will enter the eye and the pigment of the rods, rhodopsin, will be regenerated. And in case of light adaptation, what will happen? Since more light is there, so the pupils will constrict to allow less light to enter the eye. And secondly, the pigments of the rods, which is the visual purple or the rhodopsin, will be bleached to decrease the sensitivity of the rods. And thirdly, the eyelids will also partially close to allow less light to enter the eye. So these will be the three changes in the light adaptation. Less light will be allowed to enter the eye, and the pigment of the rods, that is rhodopsin, will be bleached to decrease the sensitivity of the rods. So these changes you have to remember, students. Just go on reading and learning them, you will remember. And whatever question comes, you will be able to answer them easily. So with that, I will again remind you all to please subscribe to my channel and look forward to come with some other important topics. So till then, wishing you the very best. Thank you so much. God bless you all.